One player has arrived, Nitish Kumar Reddy, and is playing brilliantly. उनके बारे में थोड़ा चीज़ आपसे जानना चाहेंगे.
Not just one, I think two have arrived. Nitish Kumar Reddy and Yashasvi Jaiswal.
Yashasvi has arrived
Both
earlier.
have arrived and both are very young. I think Yashasvi is about 22, 23. Nitish is about 21. I think they are the futures of Indian cricket. And I'm very happy with what Nitish achieved in Melbourne yesterday. It was great to see his parents watch it at the MCG, which is one of the greatest venues to play, I think, probably along with Lord's. It's a start of a career, and I hope he turns it on to make a lot more runs for India, because there have been players in the past who've started well but have faded away, who've got hundreds on debut, who've got hundreds on in the first 2 or 3 test matches and have not kicked on for a long period of time. And I think Nitish should keep that in mind. It's a great start, and hopefully he learns and improves and gets better and better every time he plays for India. Yashasvi Jaiswal is a serious player. The way he's batted in Australia, he's looked fantastic and class apart. He's got a good head on his shoulder, and I think he will play for India for a long time.
हार्दिक के साथ जिस ऑलराउंडर का खोज था हमें, नीतीश को देख के आपको लगता है कि वो पूरा हो चुका है या फिर पूरा हो रहा है?
समय देना पड़ेगा उनको. I think his bowling needs to get better. He needs to get quicker, but he's only 21 years age, and I'm sure with time he'll get better.
What about Indian pace battery? Because apart from Bumrah, सारे लोग तो अच्छा खेल रहे हैं पैचेस में, लेकिन एक ग्रुप होके जिस तरीके से हमें मतलब सिराज से उम्मीद था.
No, they are all doing well. Bumrah is an all-time great, fastest to 200 wickets. Shiraz has been exceptional. He just runs in all the time. So from that point of view, I think India has a great future in fast bowling. Akashdeep, Mukesh, Mohammad Shami will get back from injury. Prasidh Krishna is there. Ashdeep Singh is there. There are a lot of young talent in this country, and with time, we will produce quality fast bowlers. But I think Bumrah is much above anybody in the world at the moment. He's an all-time great.
हम लोग आ रहे हैं कि चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी हो रहा है पाकिस्तान में, इंडिया अपना सारा मैच दुबई में खेलेगा. उसको लेके भी बहुत सारे चर्चाएं लगी रही, लेकिन उसके बाद जो निकल के आया, फ्यूज़न बोले या फिर आप उसको हाइब्रिड मॉडल्स बोले, इंडिया दुबई में खेलेगा, ये फ़ायदा देगा इंडिया को?
कंडीशंस ज़्यादा अलग नहीं है. दुबई हो, पाकिस्तान हो, इंडिया हो, conditions are very much the same. So I don't think it matters. It is because of security reason India plays in Dubai. I wish them all the luck, because the last 50 over World Cup, they were outstanding to get to the final. Last T20 World Cup, India were champions unbeaten, and now the Champions Trophy. So they'll go in with a lot of confidence. They have fantastic players to win the competition, and my fingers are crossed for India to make it to the finals.
जितने प्लेयर्स हमारे निकल के आ रहे हैं, अभी एक चीज़ को लेके मतलब बहुत बार चर्चा हो रहा है कि वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट हो रहा है. हमारे पास बहुत सारे बॉलर्स हैं, तो रोटेशन वाइज उनको भी चांसेस मिल रहे हैं. उसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है? किस तरीके से हमारे टीम, या फिर आप देख रहे हैं कि आगे चल के तीनों फॉर्मेट में हमें 3 डिफरेंट टीम्स नज़र आएंगे इंडिया का?
देखिए, वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट तो ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि क्रिकेट इतनी होती है. इट्स सो मच ऑफ क्रिकेट विद IPL. There's a lot of cricket for players, and the selectors manage the workload. The selectors look after players, they look after fast bowlers, especially someone like Bumrah. Certain players only play certain formats, like Hardik Pandya plays T20 and 50 over. There are certain who play all formats. Yashasvi, Rohit, Virat, Jasprit, they all play all formats. So workload management will continue to happen. But a quality player, as I've said, plays all formats of the game.